Work it out. How about y'all? If you trying to work it out, let me hear you say you trying to work it out. Yeah, I'm trying to work it out. I told her, put out that Kanye workout plan, pick up the pieces of your broken heart and take my hand. We can work this thing out, I'll be your personal trainer. Start off with a warm up, a good conversation. The way her body built can make her brother neck jerk. You wanna take it to the limit, better stretch first. Can go the distance, then your pressure luck. She in a race with commitment, homie, can you keep up? And relationships, fidelity's the cardio. I think I got the stamina to see how far we can go. You need somebody to spot you, well baby I got you. Must be hard, bench pressing a heavy heart alone. May have skipped out on a couple healthy meals or two. Cheated on a couple reps, but never cheat on you. Your love muscles out of shape, no need to search around. I think I got the perfect place where we can work it out. Only 3 things in life that were meant for me: a love, lyrics, and a chance to leave a legacy. If you competing, it's to be the best that you can be. Work it out, you just gotta work it out now. Only 3 things in life that were meant for me: love, lyrics, and a chance to leave a legacy. The only competition that I'm up against is me. So work it out, I'm just trying to work it out. Let me hear you say, are you just trying to work it out now?
I'm trying to work it out now.
Hey, come on, say I'm just trying to work it out now. And then you say,
I'm trying to work it out now.
the champ is here, turn up the amps and clear. Loud and clear, you can cheer for the man of the year. Was built for any bout since days of my ghetto youth. First round knockout when I step in the booth. I'm on my heavyweight bellboy and no steroids. Breakfast, lunch, and dinner, cutting tracks like sirloins. So lean, poetry is my protein. Skinny stature, but I fold by no means. It's in the genes, now at last is known. On the microphone, I'm in a weight class of my own. I got hits for days, 100 bars a week. I turn a rapper to a punching bag, sparring with me. To set a record as the freshest, ain't no stopping me now. I'm doubling up the rap regimen until I'm maxed out. Another level with Fiello, he got beats by the pound. We're pushing rhymes lightweight, trying to work it out. Now only 3 things in life that were meant for me: a love, lyrics, and a chance to leave a legacy. When you competing, it's to be the best that you can be. So work it out, you just gotta work it out now. Only 3 things in life that were meant for me: a love, lyrics, and a chance to leave a legacy. When you competing, it's to be the best that you can be. So work it out, you just gotta work it out. Come on, or you just gotta work it out. Yeah, or you just gotta work it out. Or you just gotta work it out. Yeah. How y'all feeling, Miami?